Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It's a Sea Ray 2026 280 SLX outboard powered. We have her in the full hull color Sea Ray blue with our rally red racing stripe right down the middle. We have a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match our black power tower up top. Then here on the transom we have twin Mercury 250s Verados to power this boat. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Okay, now that we're on board the 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard, let's take a look at some more features. As we go throughout the boat, you'll notice the brown sea deck flooring that is all throughout, and also the dune interior that we have equipped on this boat as well. Great large sun pad area here at the back. Got great storage that goes all the way up through our U-shaped seating, as well as a nice cooler. Nice place to be able to just grab a quick drink or beverage while you're hanging out without having to go back into the boat. We also have our Fusion stereo control here at our sun pad, and also USB chargers as well with cup holders throughout. As we walk in through, we do have some dedicated storage here as well. It is drained, so you can throw some things in there, life jackets, whatever need be. We do have a nice little transom door here to be able to cut off any small children or pets. As we enter through the transom, also we have a fresh water sprayer, and our battery charger will be located right here as well. We do have a nice little flip up step. That way, if you're boarding from this side of the boat, it locks right into place and gives you a nice step to be able to board the boat a little bit easier. Once again, we do have our black power tower here with a shade that does extend out over our sun pad, and then our controls for the power tower will be right here on the starboard side. Great, nice U-shaped seating here. We do have dedicated cooler storage underneath our starboard side seat, and then more storage that, as I said, connects in through that ski locker here at the transom. Large storage here. We do have our bilge caddy here as well. You'll see that on a lot of our SLX models. If you were to remove that, you'd have access to all your bilge that you may need. We do have a nice fridge drawer here. Nice place to be able to keep some things cold. We have some waters in there right now. Great little added cold storage. We do have a wireless phone charger here, and also a nice little flip up storage container with some cup holders as well. Ample cup holders all throughout the boat. You see we do still have some here on the port side along with the starboard side as we move up to the helm. Nice large beefy seat here at the helm with the flip up bolster. We do have a nice setup here from Sea Ray. We've got twin Simrad screens, our Fusion stereo head system, some nice easy access controls that we can also access through the dash, whether that be our windlass, our horn, or our windshield wiper. We do have our Linco trim tabs set up right here, along with our Mercury binnacle that has active trim, along with our joystick pilot operated that does have skyhook autopilot also built in. So great tool to be able to use out on the water, and that is powered by those Mercury twin 250s. On the port side, nice little storage cubby here for your phone, your wallet, your keys as you're out on the boat. Also a nice vacuum flush head with a holding tank and a freshwater sink down below. Pretty spacious down there. Great place to be able to get out of the sun as well. We do have some storage here. Nice little trash can. And then also we do have the ability in those colder months to be able to throw up our little windscreen, flip over our windshield, and be able to cut off this bow area if you do want to get behind it while you're underway. Here in the bow, we've got nice seating with flip down armrest on either side. Very spacious. Storage underneath all these seats as well. And we do have a place for a table up here in the bow if you wanted to be able to enjoy a sandwich or a beverage, anything that you would like to out on the water. Once again, ample cup holder storage, nice place to be able to put your drink while you're enjoying this boat. Here at the bow, we do have an anchor windlass on this boat. Be able to control here or control at the helm, as I mentioned earlier. We do have a freshwater sprayer set up right here as well to be able to spray down the anchor chain as we pull the windlass back in. That's a quick walkthrough of the 2026 280 SLX outboard from Sea Ray. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, please feel free to check us out on marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.